What is bullion gold? If you are interested in investing in precious metals, then you might be contemplating going with either silver, gold, or platinum. However, you may have seen the term gold bullion being exclusively used when describing gold bars. So today we're going to look at the term gold bullion and define it for you. We'll also take a look at how banks will lend and sell bullion, as well as take a closer look at the bullion market and how you can purchase and invest in it. This assets can then be borrowed or sold. This raw form of gold is known as gold ore, and it is a combination of gold and rock that has been mineralized. This gold is extracted from the ore by use of extreme heat and chemicals. Bullion which contains more than one type of metal is referred to as unparted bullion. Facts about bullion. The gold that is held by central banks is used as a reserve, which means that the bank will use this to settle any debt or allow it to stimulate the economy through the process of lending gold. They will lend their golds from their bullion reserve to other bullion banks at around a rate of 1%, which will help them to raise money. How do banks lend and sell bullion? As we explained regarding central banks, they can lend their bullion to other banks for a specified period. During this period, it will receive the equivalent in cash of the gold lended to the bank. Central banks will then lend this money to the market at a lease rate. This is known as the Gold Forward Offered Rates, or GOFO, which gets published daily. The higher the lease rate will mean that a central bank has more motivation to lend golds from the reserves. The bullion market. You can trade bullion in the bullion market. This is an OTC market that is open 24 hours a day, and typically sees trade volume being high as it includes bullion trading prices throughout any given day. Transactions can be completed electronically or by phone, and there are a number of markets globally which include London, Tokyo, Zurich, and New York. For example, during the time of economic instability, gold became more popular as an investment option. Another key factor is inflation or rising prices, and because of these, users tend to see the erosion of the return on investment. What is gold bullion worth? Bullion will have a total value of whatever the spot price of gold is at the given time that it is being transacted, as well as how much gold is being transacted. Gold price will fluctuate every 2 minutes as per changes to the economic and geopolitical spectrum. Gold bullion and its value will change during these periods and never has a fixed price. For an everyday transaction with gold bullion, a dealer will typically take the current price and then times it by the amount of gold they have to work out the market value. Purchasing and investing gold bullion. They will be purchased from a triple dealer and then kept in a safety deposit box either at home or a bank. Another method is to go with exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which will allow an investor to access the bullion market, in which ETFs contain a collection of securities tracking an underlying index. Investors can also purchase bullion through the use of future contracts. My friends and family are sick of hearing me talk about it, so now it's your turn.